Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with just a quick review of the GRITR, G-R-I-T-R camping tripod grill board set. This is a compact, portable, rust-proof camping gear for your outdoor cooking. It comes with a stainless steel campfire tripod plate, adjustable chain, and a leather carrying case for all this good stuff. So we'll quickly unbox it. They recommend using 3 branches or wooden bamboo sticks. By this time this video comes out, I have fully tested this over the summer. I had difficulty in the beginning testing it because we are on a fire ban in Colorado. So I'm not breaking rules for something $11.99 or something product. Anyway, I tested it, gave it to my son for him to test it. And as you can see, I'm unboxing it right now. You can see all the different stuff you get with it, which is really cool. Yeah, it's stainless steel, so it's rust proof. There's really not, it's pretty self-explanatory. I do like the leather case. I like how you can keep all the stuff in there and not have this crap all over the place, so you lose half of it. So that's really a good thing. I think this is good for people who like to bushcraft. Of course, it's good for camping. Yeah, you can look at that. You can tell the quality of how it was machined and everything. It looks like really good quality, to be honest with you. Now what we have here is the GRITR titanium ultralight 25.4 ounce cup with folding handles and lid for coffee, tea, water, soup, stuff like that. This is my favorite thing, is this right here. I really use this quite a bit. The tripod I don't use as much, and of course during the summer I couldn't really use it. We were on a fire ban, and yeah, but this right here, I really did like using this. I thought this was really cool. It worked out really well. It is a good quality. I made tea in, actually I didn't make tea in it, I made hot cocoa in it, to be honest with you. So I made hot cocoa. I almost tried some chicken noodle soup in it at the last minute. I have no reservations about this having a lifetime warranty like they say in their advertisement. It's a very very good quality. So with the tripod, if you want to use it with the tripod, you use the handle on the top, hang it from the top, you'd be good to go, and you can hang it over the fire using like 3 branches or so for that. But I like it as a standalone. As you can see, it's good quality stuff here. The cup itself I really enjoyed using. I'll leave links in the description from Amazon for those interested in this product. And this is by GRITR, G-R-I-T-R. One is the titanium ultralight 750 ml 25.4 ounce cup, and the other is their board set, their campfire tripod grill and board set. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. This is Frugal Panda out.